Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to activate Windows 10 and Windows 11 by removing the Windows activation watermark at the bottom right here. So as you can see, I have already activated my Windows 11, and that's why you see I have Windows 11 Pro. So if your Windows is not activated and you want to activate it by removing the Windows activation watermark at the bottom right, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to activate Windows 10 and Windows 11 permanently is go ahead and click on the start button, search for command prompt. Now once you search for command prompt, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on run as administrator. Select yes from the pop to run the command prompt as administrator on your Windows. Once the command prompt is opened, now the next thing you want to do is you want to type in the following command. So make sure you type in the following command as it is. Otherwise, you'll not be able to remove the activate Windows, go to settings to activate Windows on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So just go ahead and type bcd edit hyphen set spacebar test sign in space off, and then click on the enter button. Don't mind whatever you have here, whatever message you have here, as long as you type in the correct command, don't mind it. Then hang on a couple of seconds, like 5 to 10 seconds, and once you're done, you can just type exit to close the command prompt. Once you close the command prompt, then you want to go ahead and click on the start button, click on the power button, then select restart to restart your Windows computer. So you need to restart for this to take effect. And now once you've restarted your Windows computer, you can now go ahead and go to settings, and then on the Windows settings page, you want to search for Windows activation or activation settings. So then once you selected activation settings, you should see your Windows activated. You can see I have my Windows activated here, and it has also helped me to remove the Windows activation at the bottom right here. So that is basically how to activate Windows 10 and Windows 11 by removing the Windows activation at the bottom right. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.